The one thing I like about summer is making your own milkshakes, and I'm going to show you how to make super milkshakes, freak shakes, which are the new trend at the moment, using your milk frother. The first thing we're going to make is an Oreo milkshake. So first thing we have to do is let's take our lid off here. But what I have done earlier is I've put some syrup, or you can put some chocolate flavoured syrup, anything you want, and then just dip it into your crushed Oreos. Now I'm going to place 200 ml of milk in my milk frother, and just make sure it's nice and cold, and just place the lid on. Now for your cold froth, you need to hold the switch on until it turns blue. Now that means it's going to froth the milk without heating it. So this will take 2 minutes. We're just going to wait 2 minutes for this to be nice and cold and nice and frothy. Just going to put this to one side, and you can see the creaminess, and it's nice and cold. So let's build our milkshake. I'm going to put the ice cream in first. That's in the bottom. Okay. And then I'm going to put on some of the chopped Oreo bits. So I've just chopped those up in the hand blender set. And now for the milk. Look at that. That is what you want. And then we have some squirty cream. I haven't finished yet. And I've got some mini Oreos that I'm just going to decorate here. And we can put a few more chopped on top here. Add your large donut here, and that just sits on the side. And that is what you call an Oreo milkshake, made with the Dualip milk frother. You can buy a milk frother from my Dualip website, where you'll find lots of tasty recipes. And don't forget to hashtag Better with Dualip. Thank you for watching.